Good morning, welcome back up to our property up here in southern Utah. If you saw our last video, you saw that we got pretty much all the forms done and we have a little bit more to do, and we are gonna do that today. And what's really cool, here in the next couple hours, we have the inspector coming out to do a rebar inspection, so hopefully that passes because we do have a concrete truck scheduled for tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. if the weather holds. Yesterday it was saying it was gonna rain tomorrow, but now it's saying it's clear skies for the next couple days. I'm hoping that holds because I really wanna get this done. I hope that the inspector has nothing but good things to say, and if there is anything, it's just little quick fixes, which I feel like isn't a big deal that we can just fix right on the spot. I'm gonna get to work finishing up the forms and get them ready because 8 a.m. tomorrow, fingers crossed that we're pouring concrete.
Did you have a breakfast of champions? Does that mean you're ready now? Ready to pump this out?
I'm ready.
Kitty is out. She's so cute. Roxy. Good morning, guys. From our bed a few months ago, we decided we were going to upgrade our mattress within our trailer. We went with RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, and RV Mattress is the sponsor of today's video. Finding an RV mattress is difficult enough, let alone finding a comfortable one. For those living the RV lifestyle, RV Mattress is perfect for your home on wheels. Their mattresses are designed to provide comfort and support no matter where your travels take you. Their mattresses come in more than 22 different size options. We currently live full-time in our trailer. We went with the Signature Hybrid 70 by 80 inch king size mattress, and it is perfect and specifically fits our camper. For the last 6 months, we enjoy hanging out in our bed and pulling those covers up and getting a good night's rest. Everything about this mattress is stress-free. From ordering, delivering, and setup, even shipping is free. These beds are factory direct brand, made in Arizona and delivered to your doorstep. Pull it out of the box, place the bed in its future spot, unwrap, and let it grow. As tummy and side sleepers, we chose the Signature Hybrid, which has made our night's sleep amazing and allowing us to wake up feeling healthy, energetic, and refreshed. But what about if you're not on the road? Brooklyn Bedding is RV Mattress's parent company and has an even wider selection of mattresses to fit any sleep style and preference. With our RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding mattresses, you'll get a 120-night sleep trial along with a 10-year warranty. Later this month, they'll be running some great sales for Memorial Day, so be sure to check out my link, RVmattress/Life Elevated, to get the best deal for the upcoming summer season. Thank you to RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding for sponsoring this video. Be sure and go to rvmattress.com/Life Elevated to receive 25% off your next mattress. The top plate on the inner former is done all the way around, so now we have 2 squares. How are you feeling about it?
I feel like it looks pretty good.
The optical illusion kind
Well, just because like
sends your head twirling a little
the
bit.
ground isn't like it's at grade pretty much, but it might be like an inch or so off, like from over here to over here, so it looks like this is lower than that one. I think we're good. I think the forms are about to be done and the inspector should be here hopefully, I mean, sometime today.
You think we're gonna pass our inspection?
I hope so. There's a few things that I think you might say, but if we do, then it's like a 10-minute
The
fix.
inspector is here. Wish us so much luck.
FG6. So the inspector just left. We're missing some rebar in some of the spots. We have to double it up real quick. So he has another inspection he has to do up the mountain. But as of right now, we have not passed, but we still have a concrete scheduled for tomorrow. So I'm gonna cut this out as fast as I can. He's gonna stop back by here on his way out, which should be in like 20 minutes, if that. Hopefully we get it past at that time. So we
Let's
gotta
go.
get to work.
Go. Did we pass?
Yes, you passed.
Yay!
Woo!
Oh shit.
Everyone's excited.
Thank you, Ross. All right, we passed our inspection.
Yay!
second time around. So now we're just gonna just finish up the forms. That way we can get ready for concrete. It's supposed to rain today in like an hour and a half or 2 hours. There's like a 30% chance. I don't know if it's gonna happen. I definitely want to get as much done as I can before if it does rain, because 8 a.m. concrete truck's gonna be here and we still have a lot of work to do. We're marking out where all the door locations are going to go so that no concrete gets put in this cavity right here. We're doing the garage doors. So we have 3 garage doors, 2 man doors that we have to do. Then we know not to put concrete in those locations so we can frame up all the doors after it's done.
Oh my goodness, all the time it took to put it in and all you do is take it out?
Now we're done. We're not doing concrete, we're done. Screw that. Shit, I can't get it out. Yeah. All right, well, we just got a rainstorm, kind of.
The thing about Utah is wait 10 to 20 minutes and it's done.
Larry series turn out all the dirt from the middle. All the forms are done. So we cut out one of the garages right there so we can get in there, and that way the concrete truck can go in there as well and be able to get all around everything. But anyways, so we're gonna finish pulling this dirt out of here. We're gonna call it a night, and we'll see you guys in the morning for concrete. Good morning, guys, from the trailer. It is concrete day. The sun's out. It's gonna be a good day. I'm getting a good breakfast, some pancakes. My wife put chocolate chips in them even. So I have all the carbs for not gonna be a crazy pour, but I just feel like concrete's hard anytime you do it. So we're gonna get this breakfast, and the concrete truck should be here in the next hour and a half, 2 hours. We'll have some foundation for our house. All right, well, I hear the concrete truck coming right now, coming up our hill. It's a very distinct sound. Should be pulling up any second, and we're doing concrete. I'm excited.
And those are anchors, babe?
Yeah, like big Simpson strong tie strap thingy bobbers, tie downs.
And they have to go within the concrete.
Yeah, they get wet set inside.
Okay. Right in the face.
Right in my face! And then after those are done, we're gonna do the stem walls. Hopefully this turns out good.
To blow out. Man, guys, I hope this thing doesn't like completely blow open. They're working on it.
Are this 8 right here?
Yeah.
Come on, baby, give me
inside 8.
We were able to get it back to 8 inches. The blowout is fixed. We added more reinforcement.
Yeah.
We're back in business. As the concrete's poured, Larry's just going through and covering it with dirt. How's that wall looking? Do you think I should get a trowel and start pushing stuff around?
Yeah.
You should be like 2 or 3 steps together and just be like, okay.
Okay, that's the anchor, right? It's gonna hold the studs later on.
It's gonna hold the frame down, yeah.
Putting in those J rebars. Larry, what do the J rebars do?
Gives it some support, tying the stem wall to the footing.
Okay.
We need more bars.
I have more.
All right, well, the concrete's about to set up. We're just putting the anchors in now, but we did not have enough concrete. We ran out. So this wall right here, pretty much right from where Larry's at, all the way to the other corner over there, did not get finished, which sucks, but we're pouring again on Tuesday, so we'll probably come back and finish that, and then the rest of these footings, it will be good. But anyway,
How many yards do you think we need?
2, 3.
3 yards? That's looking smooth, guys. Looks good.
Here, Larry Bird.
Yes, sir. Which way is this wall?
I'm starting with the big walls first. So this is 16. I'm on 16 right now.
Yeah, just put one there and one here.
Okay. All right, guys, well, the concrete is all done. Everything's cleaned up, and it looks like it turned out really nice. It looks good. It looks good. That's the door opening and everything. It looks good. Right towards the end of us doing concrete, it started snowing. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. It's kind of windy, but it started snowing. It was so weird. The weather's turning for worse right now. It's super windy. It's chilly and everything like that. So I think we're gonna call it a day for working on this. We're just gonna let this dry and take the forms off another day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Come along with us on building this apartment. We're super excited about it. We'll see you guys in a few days.